Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to explore how the WhatsApp inbox and the agent console in Office 24 by 7 help your team interact seamlessly with customers, clients, or leads using your registered WhatsApp business account number. Inside the Office 24 by 7 panel, you'll find a standard feature called Chat App, which allows agents to have WhatsApp conversations with customers and view the complete chat history. To get started, click on the Chat App icon. By default, it opens the web chat window, but you can easily switch to WhatsApp using the drop-down option. Once you switch to WhatsApp, you'll see all the WhatsApp business account numbers, or WABA numbers, linked to your organization. In this demo, I have only one WABA number activated. However, if your business uses multiple verified numbers, you can select the desired one from the drop-down. Based on the selected number, the chat list will display chats of all customers who have interacted with that particular WhatsApp number. You can view the complete chat history of every customer who has messaged your business number. To quickly locate a customer, use the search bar by typing their name or number. For example, if I type Anant, the results will display all customers whose name matches the search term. Each chat entry shows important details such as unread message counts and the date of the last received message. When you open a chat, you'll see the entire conversation history, from the very first message to the most recent one. This is very important, as it gives you the complete history of the customer chat for more context. If you click the ellipsis next to any message, you'll find options to reply or forward the message. This works for both customer messages and agent replies. Once a customer contacts your WhatsApp business account, Meta provides a 24-hour response window. Within this window, you can reply freely with a text message. For instance, here I've received a message from a customer and you can see a 24-hour countdown displayed below the message timestamp. You can send any free-form text message within this period. After the 24-hour window expires, the timer disappears, and free-form messaging is no longer available. You can only reply using approved WhatsApp templates. You also have the option to attach up to 5 files in a message, including images, videos, audio files, or PDFs. Each image can be up to 5 megabytes, while other media files can go up to 16 megabytes in size. Let's look at this in action. I'll browse and upload a file, submit it, and send it to the customer. This feature is particularly useful for sharing pricing documents, product catalogs, service brochures, or any relevant attachments. If you want to resend a file you've already shared, simply click Attach Files, choose from recently uploaded files, and send them again directly from the interface. You can also use emojis in your messages to make the conversation more friendly and engaging. For sending pre-approved business message templates, click on the Templates button next to the Message Input field. This opens a list of all the WhatsApp templates you've created and approved. You can search for a specific one. For instance, I'll search for follow_up_demo_template. Once you find the right template, simply select it and click Send. If you click on the customer's profile name, you'll be able to view all the media and documents exchanged during the chat. This ensures that when an agent is assigned to a conversation, they immediately get complete context. The entire message history, shared files, and customer details. The WhatsApp inbox in Office 24 by 7 allows agents to handle multiple customer conversations simultaneously, track unread and read messages, and maintain continuity in communication. Agents can search by name, number, or keyword, and respond efficiently from the same interface. With the Agent Console in Office 24 by 7, your team can directly manage WhatsApp conversations, ensuring every customer interaction is smooth, timely, and fully visible within your unified communication platform.